Bella's playing teacher today. Is that the sound a puppy makes?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next one? Teach your students.
It's a puppy.
Mm-hmm.
What is it? A rainbow.
Rainbow. Good girl.
Good girl, guys. What is this one?
What?
A pony.
That's a pony. Good girl.
And what is this? Is a pony.
Mm-hmm.
And what is this one? An alien.
Alien. Good girl.
And what is this? An elephant.
Elephants make that noise?
Yeah.
You're silly.
Elephant makes a noise. Go.
Okay.
And squish the water.
Okay.
What is this? A flower.
Flower. Good job.
And what is this one? A turtle.
A turtle.